Myself, Dr. Shrikant Chandorkar. Today's topic is in financial accounting, amalgamation, absorption, and external reconstruction. In amalgamation, term of amalgamation refers to blending of two or more existing undertakings into one undertaking. It contemplates not only blending of two or more existing undertakings into one undertaking, but also blending of one by other, which is called as absorption. From accounting point of view, amalgamation includes absorption, acquisition, reconstruction. The concept of amalgamation has been dealt with by various laws, that is Income Tax Act, Companies Act, and ICA. Now, amalgamation, absorption, and external reconstruction distinguish between three concepts. Difference between three concepts. New company is formed in amalgamation. New company is not formed in absorption, and external reconstruction, new company is formed. Liquidation of companies, existing point of view, existing companies are liquidated in amalgamation, and in absorption, existing companies liquidated also, and external reconstruction, existing companies liquidated. That is in form of amalgamation, absorption, and external reconstruction. Liquidation of companies is compulsory. When practical accounting point of view, types of amalgamation, basically two types: amalgamation in the nature of merger and amalgamation in the nature of purchase. As per accounting standard 14, amalgamation is in the nature of merger provided the five conditions. All asset liabilities transfer company become after amalgamation the assets and liabilities of transferring company. Shareholders holding not less than 90% of the face value of the equity shares of transfer company. The purchase consideration for the amalgamation receivable by those equity holders of the transfer company who agree to become equity holders of the transferring company is discharged by the transferring company wholly by the issue of equity shares. Then for the business of the transfer company is intended to be carried on by the transferring company after amalgamation. Any same to same business activities after amalgamation that can be run by the transferring company. No adjustment is intended to be made to the books value of asset liability of the transfer company when they are incorporated in the financial statements of the transferring company. Concept except to ensure uniformity of accounting policies.